Hey gang, Scott here. In this video, we'll be talking about the SDR rendition area of the Lightroom basic panel. This comes into play if you are using Lightroom's HDR editing mode. This is HDR for display. I have a high dynamic range capable monitor. If you're doing editing, you can see the highlight detail in the +1, +2, +3 stops of your photo. This is not about HDR merge, so it's really true HDR editing. And where this SDR rendition comes in is when you go to export your photo and how do you want to carry the HDR information? Well, also, what happens if someone who doesn't have an HDR capable display wants to see the photo? What does it look like? If I can't see the HDR information, well, what do I want the photo to look like? And there is a relationship between SDR rendition and how you export, which I will unpack for you in this video. But really quick, if you're not watching this video on an HDR capable display, it's not going to look all that interesting. You're not going to see much difference. I'm showing you two photos here. On the left is an SDR rendition of the image. On the right is the HDR version of it, and the right-hand side will have a lot more highlight detail. There's much more nuance in the sky. You're seeing, very, very bright whites. Even the snow in the foreground's a little crisper, a little brighter. Because I'm working with an HDR-capable display, I can show these additional highlight tones. So if you don't see a difference in those two photos, try watching this video on your smartphone. Most smartphones have an HDR-capable display. So with that, let's talk about this SDR rendition area that is in the Lightroom Basic panel and when and where you may want to work with it. So as we can see, I have this HDR turned on. I've done my editing in HDR. And just at the bottom of the tone area, so in the tone area, there is this rendition settings, SDR rendition settings. I'll open that up and you can see there's a variety of sliders which are currently grayed out. Now when I turn on preview for SDR display, everything just got really dull, right? All those highlights got very dull. Take a look at the histogram. The HDR side of the histogram, completely invisible, right? We're basically saying, what would this photo look like? This photo here, what would it look like on an SDR screen? It would look like this, kind of dull, right? That's the world that we lived in for a long time. But you have some additional controls, and these controls only apply for the SDR rendition. And so, here maybe I'd increase some of the brightness, or maybe I'd try to do something with the contrast. I'm trying to get, in my case, I want to get some of that brightness back in that sky, but keep some of that richness. Maybe it's the highlights. I might have to bring those highlights down a little bit and retain some of the saturation. So, just without, going overboard and trying to get this photo the right way, this is the HDR and now this is the SDR rendering. If I were to reset that, this is what it was before I made those changes. And as I increased some contrast and took down some highlights, that seemed to help the photo, right? So we do all these types of settings. Okay, great. So well, now what happens, right? I've done these things. I don't want to look at it like this in Lightroom. I'm done doing this in Lightroom. I'm going to turn this off. It's like I want to see my rich HDR capable image on my HDR capable screen. Where the SDR rendition comes into play is when you export. Now, in previous video, I talked about exporting, and there's this HDR output option, right? We bring up our export panel. And in the file settings here, let's say I had JPEG, and I would say, great, give me that HDR output because I want to have that HDR goodness in there. And we talked through JPEG XL, AVIF. Well, the SDR rendition is, well, if I turn this off, I have an HDR capable photo. I think it's behind my export panel here. And I want to export it in an SDR way. Well, then the rendition settings that are over here are going to come into play. And so if I've turned off HDR output and then I export the photo as, in this case, a JPEG, Lightroom will take into account these SDR rendition settings, apply those in some way, and so that the JPEG that results will have those additional tweaks that I made. That's effectively it. It gives you an option. It gives you a way so that if you're exporting a photo, maybe you want to export one as an HDR version and one as an SDR version, you have that capability. Now, in practice, I don't find myself using SDR rendition much at all. I've been pretty happy exporting as a JPEG, just a flat, standard 8-bit JPEG, with the HDR output turned on. The results look pretty good, and I've been pretty happy with those. So I'm just not using it very often, but I did want to explain what it was, so I wasn't overlooking it, and you're not scratching your head going, well, what about this interesting panel that I expand and I can do a bunch of these sliders? What do they mean? This is what it means. If you decide to export your HDR photo without the HDR additional data, the SDR rendition sliders give you a little extra control to kind of push the tones around in a way that is most pleasing for your photo. Hope you found that video useful. You got questions? Go ahead and drop them below. And until next time, my name's Scott Davenport. Have fun.